Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a profile in MT4 or MT5. Okay, profiles allow traders to save groups of charts so they can quickly switch between different trading setups. All right, so the first step is to arrange your charts. Okay, open the charts that you want to include in the profile. All right, okay. All right. You can set your time frames, indicators, chart templates, right? Um, just a demo, right? Now, to save your profile, you click on File, you click on Profiles, okay? You click on Save As, you enter the profile name, right? And then you save it, okay? Now, the third step is to switch between profiles. Okay, so to load a saved profile, you click on File, right? You click on Profiles, okay? And then you select the profile name that you want to switch to, right? For example, if I'm switching to this, you can see this is what we have here, all right? If I want to switch back to the profile I just created, this is what we have, right? So it's as simple as that, okay? So all the charts and the layouts will appear instantly once you select the profile. All right. Now, the fourth step is to organize multiple setups. Profiles are useful for separating trading environments such as major currency pairs, indices or commodities, and strategy specific setups. Right. So a quick recap for you: to create a profile, you open and arrange charts, right? You can decide to have your charts arranged this way. Maybe you can decide to have it arranged this way, however you want it. All right. Once you have arranged your charts, once you have arranged your charts the way you want, added your indicators or whatever, however you want it to be, right? Then you just have to go to File, you have to go to Profile, and then you save it. Okay, you name the profile. All right, then whenever you're ready to load a specific profile, you just go and load the profile that you want to. Okay, so guys, this is it. Very easy and straightforward. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.